Hey friends, on this episode of Due to the Travel Bug, we are back at one of our favorite landmark hotels, the Brown Hotel. And stay tuned till the end to hear one of our funniest family travel stories. The Brown Hotel is a beloved historic hotel located in downtown Louisville, Kentucky, at the corners of 4th and Broadway. This Louisville tradition is dripping with Georgian revival elegance and timeless Southern charm, and it holds the coveted AAA 4-diamond rating. Is it good?
It's very nice.
Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. Very fancy. The Brown Hotel, where bourbon tastes better. Very spacious. I like the horse prints above the bed. This feels like a grown-up's room. Are we grown up enough to stay here? I mean, these are grown-up curtains, right?
Yeah, I guess so. As long as the kids aren't here, that makes it grown up, I think.
I know. Oh, nice couch. You melt into. This is good. Did you check out the bathroom yet?
Not yet.
All right, go take a look.
Not too shabby.
The Brown Hotel is not just the perfect place to lay your head, but it's a great place to find the perfect Louisville gift at the Brown Hotel Gift Shop and Fine Art Gallery. The Brown also has multiple dining options. There's the English Grill, J. Graham's Cafe, the Lobby Bar and Grill, and may I suggest ordering at least one world-famous hot brown, invented at the Brown Hotel in 1926 and baked to perfection ever since.
Creamy.
And you can't beat the Brown's location. It sits in the heart of everything Louisville has to offer. It's by fantastic bars and restaurants, live entertainment, and it is just steps away from the Louisville Palace Theater. This is a legendary venue that is the star of Louisville. We are no strangers to this hotel. We stay here every time we're in the Louisville area because it's historic and grand, and they have the best bar possibly in the United States. But one of our very funniest travel stories is kind of from here. So I'll try to make it quick, but it has to do with Cocaine Bear. There's a movie coming out called Cocaine Bear, and I'm sure the movie is not real, but Cocaine Bear is real. And you can go visit him in Lexington, Kentucky, not far from here. Somebody was trying to smuggle drugs, and he threw the cocaine out of an airplane, and a bear found a duffel bag full of millions of dollars of cocaine and ate it. I'm sure his heart exploded and but they ended up stuffing him, and he is a Kentucky icon. Naturally, about 3 years ago, as a family, we visited Cocaine Bear. Afterwards, we came here, and we were staying in club level here at the Brown, and my kids grabbed 2 pieces of pie, and when I noticed my youngest didn't eat his, and I said, "Why didn't you eat it?" He goes, "It tastes awful, Mom." But my oldest did, and I took a bite of the pie, and it's just full of bourbon, because it's Kentucky, and that's what they do. It's full of bourbon, and I turned to my oldest, and I said, "Why did you eat this if it tasted like this?" He goes, "I don't know, Mom, it's pie, so I ate it." I mean, it was just full of bourbon, and I was kind of mad at him. I was like, "Don't eat something that you don't know what that taste is. It's awful." Fast forward to when they go back to school. My son remembered, that he had something that he shouldn't have. And when the teacher asked him, "How was your trip to Kentucky?" Said it was good, other than I got in trouble with my mom. He couldn't remember what the bad thing he had was. So he said, I accidentally tried cocaine. So I got a really concerned phone call from a 3rd grade teacher about a kid who accidentally tried cocaine on a trip. But it was bourbon. He accidentally tried bourbon and pie. So, oh.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.